Let's go ahead and get right into this review of this watch. All right, so let's go ahead and check out this watch. Looks like some pretty nice packaging. I'm assuming that may be BUREI. Let's go ahead and check her out. Okay, so it comes with the manufacturer manual. And this looks like a super nice watch. Let's go ahead and pull it out. So that's nice, pretty protected, comes in the phone. I'm assuming I can still use that. So here is what the watch looks like. It's kind of like a rubbery material. That's actually a really nice face. I hate doing this, but I got to do it for the review. Let me go ahead and take off this little plastic piece here. So, like I say, I don't like doing this, but bam, the cleanest it'll ever be forever. Okay. So here is the watch. So there's the front, very nice face. And there is the back. So what I'm noticing so far is that it looks like, so it's already working, but it looks like what you can do is you can go ahead and actually change the date.
Hold on, okay.
Kind of zoom in on that. You can see that it says 16 on there, so I'm assuming you could change the date. I'm going to go ahead and see how it functions. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out on this. And if you pull it out and you go forward, that's going to change the date. So if you could tell, now I've changed it to the 20th. Now, let's see how I can change the time. Oh, so one click is going to bring out the ability to be able to go to the dates, either forward or in reverse, and that could go up in date or down. And then now that I pulled it completely out, I heard 2 clicks. Now let's see. You see the little hand and the big hand moving? Sweet. Back and forward. Okay, and I'm assuming once you click it back in, now it's going again. Yes? Okay. Now, let's go ahead and put this on and see what it looks like. So, you can kind of see how it wears. So there is the front, and there is the back. It's actually pretty nice. It feels good. It's extremely light. That's good. I have some watches that are a little heavier, but it's extremely light. But it feels good, and it's really clean. It definitely, for its price, you would never be able to tell that this is a cheaper watch. They actually really did a good job on the design. So I like it. So we'll go ahead and give it a shot, but very cool. Again, this is the company. I'm going to give it a shot. BUREI. Trying. But nonetheless, hope you enjoyed the review. Hope it helps. God bless you. Have a great day.